Do you think that starting a business in Kenya needs millions of money? I can say no. What if I told you that you can start a business with less than Kenyan shilling 5,000 and make a profit? I will give you 7 proven business ideas that you can start today, even if your pocket is empty. That really sounds very interesting. And guess what? I will also share with you the business that I begin personally with the Kenyan shilling 3,000 and it really works. Before we dive in, number 7 will shock you. Just stick with me until the last one. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please click that subscribe button, then allow notification buttons to be on. Whenever we shall produce a video like this one, YouTube will give you a notification. Alright guys, let's dive in. Number 1, selling of mitumba. Mitumba, for those one who doesn't know, these are the second-hand clothes. You can go to Gigomba or the market that is around you. You buy them in bale. Let me say that a bale of mitumba can go with 2,500 and they have different pieces inside that bale. What you need to do, go wash them, iron them, then sell them. You can multiply price by even 3. Let me say that you may take this mitumba with 100 bob shilling, but whichever places you are, you can opt to sell this mitumba with only 400 Kenyan shilling. You know, the profit is maximized. Business idea number 2 is selling of street food. You know, Kenyans love food. Whichever the country you are, people love food. With only Kenyan shilling 4,000, you can start to sell smoky and eggs. And each smoky can cost you around 20 shillings. And you can sell them at 40. You realize that this is 100% profit. You can add kachumbari and you can also have a premium product that can work, that can move together with eggs ama kachumbari that you might be selling smoky. Unaweza amua even to put there some small njugu. Business idea number 3 is they normally call mobile phone accessories. These mobile phone accessories, they have a lot of profit. Let me say that you are selling cable, you are selling earphones, screen protectors, or rather you can choose to sell these headers of chargers, and these are, let me say, flash disk, memory cards, you can name them. These things, when you buy them at wholesale price, you may find that a cable just goes with around 15 shillings. But back to the market, you know, the people sell it at 100. Can you just imagine? You have buy a product with 30 bob, then this product you are selling it at 120 Kenyan shilling. That is, profit has been multiplied by 4. So you know, phone accessories has market, and their product you can get them at Mituli Avenue, or rather, if you want to begin this business and you don't know where to find these phone accessories, in comment section you can drop your place, then I'll be reaching at you and delivering this product that you may need. Number 4, they normally call liquid detergent soap. This liquid detergent soap, you will buy it and make it. If you don't know how to make it, you can go to YouTube, then search how to make a homemade soap. After making this a homemade soap, it will cost you less than 2,000 Kenyan shillings to get it. Then you can make it by yourself. After making it, you will realize that a 5-liter bottle can cost you around 150, and you can sell it at around 400 Kenyan shilling. You realize that you are making a profit of around 250 Kenyan shilling. And you can also target people like hotels, barber shop, or rather even homes, those people that normally use it. Business idea number 5, it's normally called digital service. In digital service, of those people can be accessed with laptop. They have skills in editing, they have skills in graphics, and they have skills in doing a lot of stuffs online. If you find that, some of these online businesses, this one, labda you have done survey, is not giving you anything, you can opt to start writing CV for people. You can start typing assignments for the people. Labda you are watching me and you are in campus, we have those people who are lazy there. You can say, okay, let me go do for you this research, let me go do for you this project, let me go do for you ABC. You have those people who are very lazy. You can use that chance so that you can get earn something small from it. What you just need, if you are in campus, you have a free Wi-Fi for that institution. But if you are not in campus, you can just need 500 Kenya shilling per day to buy for the data bundles, or even you can also use the Airtel service provider. They have nice service on Airtel bundles, and they can save you a lot. Business idea number 6 is normally called urban farming. Urban farming is something, it really look very challengeful, because in most urban, we don't have a shamba or other garden that you go to weed so that you can produce your sukuma wiki, even your spinach to sell to the people. But we have something that called sack farming. In case you don't know, sack farming, you just need less than 2,000 Kenyan shilling so that you can buy your seedling, and you can also go to look for these sacks. And also, if you are in town, you also have to buy for that soil, so that you can buy soil and you have sacks. Buy soil and you have sacks, and you can do planting. And if you plant, you can plant like sukuma wiki, spinach, we have onions, we have carrots, you can name them. Then all these things you will go and sell to your neighbors. At least a week utakuwa unapata kitu kidogo. You're getting something small like 100 shilling to 1,000 shilling. Now, okay, before I give you the 7 hack, or rather the 7 ideas that is very nice for all of us, including me and you, because of the season that you are going in, let me just ask you a very simple question. Have you ever begin a business and it fails to nourish, or rather it fails completely? Let me know in comment section which business did you start and what challenges did you face. Now, let's now talk about this one. Watu wanapenda sherehe. It's normally called event decoration and rental. You can buy a deco items. We all know the deco items that are very cheap, or rather you can opt to rent them if you cannot afford to buy one. But let's be realistic. The deco product, we have balloon goes with 10 shilling. You have these trees. You can just go and take one of the tree, then you decorate it using your skills that you may have, then it will be nice. So balloon, ribbons, banners, it goes like less than 500. Not 500, it goes less than 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Then you may ask that, where am I going to get this event? You can now promote your service in the places you are going to promote your service. You can advertise it in WhatsApp groups, or even put on your status, or you can also use your Facebook so that you can put there whatever you do. So many people will see it. Then once you get one cover, it will cost you everything, and decoration is nice. Try it and catch up with this season. Graduation, everything will be making a lot of money. So You don't need millions for you to start a business. You only need a small capital, big consistency, and smart marketing. If you want me to do a full video on how to market your business for free in Kenya, just comment in the comment section. Yes, do it, and I will be coming up with it in few minutes. Bye bye.